Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE to Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can lock home screen in your phone Oneplus Nord CE to Lite 5G. This is home screen. If you want to lock it, you can do it. Before locking, I will show how to edit home screen. For example, if you want to remove this Google Assistant, tap on it and you can simply click on remove and you can removing this shortcut. So if you lock this home screen, you cannot do anything like removing, deleting. I will show it now. Go to the settings first and click on home screen and lock screen and turn on this button, lock home screen. So home screen layout is locked and cannot be changed. I turn on this button. Now go to home screen and long press on Google Assistant and remove option is showing, but if you click on remove option, it's showing that home screen locked, so you cannot remove it. So in this way, you can easily lock home screen layout. And I tried for another one, Play Store. Just long press it and click on remove, and it cannot be removed. So for removing, you go to just unlock home screen and then only you can remove it. So to unlock it, again go to settings and click on home screen and lock screen and turn off this button. Now you can remove. I click on Google Assistant here, click on remove and click on remove. Yes, it is removed now. So in this way, you can easily remove home screen and also lock home screen and unlock home screen on phone Oneplus Nord CE to Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.